Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Andina Fitri Irawan. Here, I will explain the material about transitivity in systematic functional linguistics. Definition: transitivity in systematic functional linguistics is the way of analyzing how an action, feeling, or state is described in a sentence. Transitivity helps us understand first who is involved, participant, second what is happening, process, third where, when, or how it happens, state. The theory associated with transitivity in systematic functional linguistics is the metafunctional theory of language developed by Michael Halliday. Transitivity is the part of the ideational metafunction, which is one of the three main metafunctions of language: ideational, interpersonal, and textual. Relationship between author and reader. In transitivity, the author uses certain process to first establish a point of view. The choice of process shows how the author wants the reader to understand an event. Second, convey attitudes and values. Mental processes are often used to describe feelings or opinions so that readers can understand or even agree with the reader's perspective. Third, control the reader's focus of attention. Elements such as actor, goal, or recipient are used to emphasize certain aspects of an event or narrative. Transitivity has 6 types, namely material processes, mental processes, relational processes, which are divided into two, namely attribute and identifying, behavioral processes, verbal processes, and essential process. First, material process. Definition: this process denotes physical action or activity in which a person, actor, does something to another object, target. Elements: actor, the person or thing that performs the action. Material process, the verb of the action. Target, the thing or object affected by the action. Recipient, the receiver of the result of the action. Beneficiary, the party who benefits from the action. Example words: run, write, build, give, eat. Sentence: John gave his sister a book. John, actor, gave a book. Goal, to his sister. Recipient, as a gift. Material process. Second, mental process. Definition: this process describes the activity of a person's thoughts, feelings, or senses. Elements: experiencer, the person who thinks, feels, or perceives. Mental process, a verb that describes a thought, feeling, or perception. Phenomenon, the thing that is thought, felt, or perceived. Example word: like, hate, think, know, hear, see. Sentence: I love the sunset. I, perceiver, love, mental process, the sunset phenomenon. Third, Relational process. Definition. This process relates the object to its attribute or identifier. Third, relational process. Definition. This process relates the object to its attributes or identity. A. Attribute describe the quality or nature of something, elements, carrier, the thing that has a particular quality. Attributive process. Linking verb. Attribute, a characteristic or quality. Example word: is, seems, becomes, looks. Sentence. The flower is beautiful. The flower, barrier, is attribute process. Beautiful, attribute. B. Identifying, explaining the identify of something. Element, sign, the thing being identified. Identifying process. A linking verb. Value, the identity or description of the token. Sentence. This is my book. This token is identifying process. My book value. Fourth, behavioral process. Definition. This process indicates a behavior or physical activity that is more of a natural action. Elements. Behavior, the person or thing that performs the behavior. Behavioral process, a verb that describes the behavior. Circumstance, additional information about the behavior. Place, time, manner. Example words: laugh, cry, smile, sleep, cough. Sentence. The baby cried all night. The baby, behavior. Cried, behavioral process. All night, circumstance. Fifth, verbal process. Definition. This process describes the act of speaking, telling, or communicating. Elements. Sayer, the person who speaks. Verbal process, the verb of speaking. Verbiage, the information that is spoken. Receiver, the person receiving the message. Target, the target of the utterance. Example words: to say, to tell, to ask, to answer, to shoot. Sentence. The teacher said, do your homework to the student. The teacher, sayer, said, verbal process. Do your homework, verbiage, to the student's receiver. 6. Existential process. Definition. This process indicates the existence of something. Elements. Existent, a thing or object that exists. Existential process. An existential verb, usually with there is or there are. Locative circumstance, a place or description of a place. Example words: there is, there are. Sentence. There is a cat on the roof. There is existential process, a cat existent on the roof. Locative circumstance.
We are going to analyze this text entitled My Day in Bali.
Okay, here is the text that was analyzed per sentence. Transitivity analysis. My days in Bali. Sentence 1. Last year, I had the opportunity to attend an international education conference in Bali. Material process. I, actor, had material process the opportunity to attend an international education conference in Bali. Goal. Sentence 2. It was my first time visiting the island, and I was both excited and nervous. Clause 1. Mental process. It experiencer was mental process, my first time phenomenon. Clause 2. Mental process. I experiencer was mental process, both excited and nervous phenomenon. Material process. I, actor, visiting material process, the island. Goal. Sentence 3. The conference was held in a large hotel by the beach with participants from various countries. Material process. Implicit actor was held material process in a large hotel by the beach. Goal. Sentence 4. One the first day, I attended several workshops on innovative teaching strategies where I learned new methods to engage students in the classroom. Clause 1. Material process. I, actor, attended material process, several workshops on innovative teaching strategies. Goal. Clause 2. Material process. I, actor, learned material process, new methods to engage students. Goal. Clause 3. Material process. I, actor, to engage material process, students. Goal. In the classroom. Beneficiary. Sentence 5. During the breaks, I explored the local area with some fellow educators. Material process. I, actor, explored material process, the local area. Goal, with some fellow educators. Beneficiary. Sentence 6. We visited temples, tasted traditional Balinese food, and watched a cultural dance performance. Clause 1. Material process. We, actor, visited material process, temples. Goal. Clause 2. Material process. We, actor, tasted material process, traditional Balinese food. Goal. Clause 3. Material process. We, actor, watch material process, a cultural dance performance. Goal. Sentence 7. The highlight of the trip was meeting new colleges and exchanging ideas. Material process. Implicit actor. Meeting material process. New colleges. Goal. Implicit actor. Exchanging material process. Ideas. Goal. Sentence 8. I gained valuable insights not only for my career but also about the importance of education in different parts of the world. Material process. I, actor, gained material process valuable insights. Goal, not only for my career but also about the importance of education. Beneficiary. Sentence 9. By the end of the week, I felt inspired and energized, ready to apply what I had learned to my own teaching. Clause 1. Mental process. I, experiencer, felt mental process, inspired and energized phenomenon. Clause 2.
material process. I, actor, apply material process what I had learned goal to my own teaching beneficiary.
That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.